Hello everyone and welcome to the annual leave demonstration. My name is Alison Simmons and I am one of the HR system administrators. The purpose of today's demonstration is to show you all how to request annual leave in ESR. As a trust, we have been asked to start recording annual leave in ESR. This is so we have accurate data as to who is and isn't in work. This demonstration is for employees who don't use eRoster. If your department uses eRoster, then your holidays should be inputted on this system and not on ESR. In this session, we will cover how to log on to ESR, how to request annual leave through ESR, and how to view your annual leave. So to log on to ESR at work, open Internet Explorer, click on the star icon at the top right-hand side of your screen, open up the Cumbria Partnership folder, and then click on the ESR link. This will bring you to the ESR hub. At the top right-hand side of the screen, there will be a button saying log into ESR. Click on that and you will be able to get onto your ESR. Logging onto ESR from home is similar to logging in at work. The only difference is you need to type in the URL yourself. The URL is my.esr.nhs.uk. There's also an ESR app which you can use on your phone or tablet. For Apple devices, go to Apple Store and search ESR app. For Android devices, go to Google Play and search My ESR. So once you've logged onto ESR, you will be brought to your dashboard. On your dashboard, there will be several portlets. The one we're concerned with today is the My Annual Leave portal, as you can see on the slide. So on this portal, you can see your entitlement under accrual plan, which shows you your yearly entitlement. You can see how much you've taken, how much you've got booked, and how much you've got remaining. You can also switch between your assignments. So if you have more than one substantive assignment, you can click on the arrows at the right-hand side of the assignment box and click between them to see what your entitlement is on each. To request annual leave, just click on the Create Annual Leave button. This will bring up this pop-up. On here, you just need to enter the information about your annual leave. So you need to choose the assignment which you want to book your annual leave on. If you have two substantive assignments, you'll need to make sure that you book the correct amount of annual leave on each assignment, or the entitlement will be wrong. All you need to do is enter a start date, which is the first day you wish to start your holiday, and a start time. If this is a full day, this will be the time that you would usually start your shift on the given day. If this is a part day, then it will be the time you are leaving work. Then enter your end date, which is the final day of your holiday, and enter an end time. For a full day, again, this is just when the shift on that particular day would normally end. Or if you're taking a part day, this will be the time that you need to come into work. Calculate duration button is underneath. You can click on that and it calculates the duration for you. However, this can be wrong. The reason that this is because the system works on a 7-day week, as we are a 7-day week service. Therefore, if this is wrong, just click into the box and adjust the duration. Scroll down and then click on Submit. Once you have submitted this, you will get a workflow notification. These are just notifications that something has occurred on your record. You can view these by clicking on the folded paper icon at the top right-hand corner of your ESR dashboard. Once you click on this, you will get a list of your notifications. You will get a notification when you have requested annual leave, and you will also get a notification when your manager has approved or declined your annual leave. You can also view your absences through the employee self-service. To get to your employee self-service, all you need to do is click on ESR Navigator down the left-hand side of your dashboard. This will then bring you to a screen with a list. Most of you will just have employee self-service on this screen, but others may have more just due to their roles. If you click on employee self-service, the right-hand side comes up with a list. And if you just go down to absence and you just click on absence summary. This will open this following page. On here, as you can see, it's listed all of your absence on this table. So you will be able to see all your annual leave. You will also be able to see any sicknesses and any special balances. You can sort by absence type by just clicking on that drop-down button. So if you just wanted to see your annual leave, you could sort it by that. You can also view by approval status. So if you click on the drop-down box there, you'll be able to click on approved, declined, or pending to see what status your annual leave is at. You can also view past annual leave or past sicknesses by entering start date and end date for the dates that you want to look at. You can also request annual leave through this screen. If you click on the Create Absence button, you will be able to request annual leave through there. Please note on each of the lines you can see Details, Update and Delete. You can click on these to update your annual leave. Please be aware you can only update your annual leave before you take it. You cannot update it after it has been taken. However, if you want to change it, you can press delete. Please bear in mind that when you click update or delete, it will go to your manager for approval. Thank you for listening to our webinar. If you have any further questions, please send an email to hr.systems@ncic.nhs.uk and our team will be more than happy to answer.